Hello everybody. I can feel it. I can feel the pressure building. Thanksgiving is tomorrow and you're short on time, money and energy. You're looking at that calendar, you're looking at your wallet and thinking, how am I going to pull this off? What if you could have a beautiful, delicious, memorable Thanksgiving without the stress, without the debt, and without the exhaustion? What if you could reclaim this day for what it's truly about? Gratitude, connection, and joy? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. I've put together a 5-minute survival plan. Fast, cheap, stress-free fixes to save your holiday. We'll tackle every pressure point, from the menu to the cleanup, with a simple problem fix save approach. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about being smart. It's about giving yourself the grace to enjoy the moment. We're going to walk through this together, step by step. Ready to breathe and find your peace? This is your quick YouTube guide. 5 minutes, let's go. You can do this. I know you can. The menu feels like a monster. 5 sides, 3 apps, 2 pies. Burnout. The fix. Cut it to 3 magnificent crowd pleasers. 1 spectacular protein, 1 hearty comforting side, 1 simple vibrant vegetable. Last-minute grocery runs can feel like a battle. Crowds, long lines, rising totals. The fix. 10 items or fewer. 10. That's it. Stick to your simplified menu and make smart swaps. Go store brand for flour, sugar, and canned goods. No one will notice. Swap fancy cheese for a good cheddar. Fresh thyme? Dried will do just fine. Save time, skip the chaos, and get in and out fast. Save money too. Basics and store brands can cut your bill in half. The problem? Kitchen chaos and a sink that overflows before dinner. The fix? Embrace the sheet pan and 1-pan casseroles. Roast your protein and vegetables together on a single pan. Elegant, efficient, unbelievably easy. Choose a side that bakes in 1 dish. Let the oven do the work. You get your time back. Cleanup goes from mountain to minutes. Make sides ahead. Mashed potatoes reheat with a splash of milk. Microwave or stovetop. Assemble, cover, chill. Bake when ready. Gravy too. This banks hours on the day and saves your sanity. A whole turkey is a massive, risky time sink. Choose a time-saving alternative. My favorite? Buy rotisserie chickens, juicy and ready. Or spatchcock to cut cooking time by more than half. Or grab a pre-cooked turkey breast. Save hours. Free the oven. Ditch the stress. Embrace semi-homemade. Buy a good quality pie. Your favorite flavor. Dress it up. Warm the pie. Make a 5-minute compote. Frozen berries, a little sugar, lemon. Or finish with real whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla. Show-stopping dessert. Almost zero effort. You don't have to do it all. Delegate and make it a potluck. Have real answers when they ask what to bring. Assign dishes or categories. Room temp sides, favorite breads. Save labor, gain connection, and build a beautiful tapestry of everyone's traditions. Create a rescue kit. Canned gravy, instant mash, your favorite BBQ sauce. Set a cleanup system and let guests take leftovers. And there you have it. That's the plan. We did it. A simple, elegant, joyful Thanksgiving is within your reach. Take a deep breath and remember. 3-dish menu, smart shopping, 1-pan cooking, make-aheads, turkey shortcuts, easy desserts, delegation, rescue kit. We focused the menu, made a smart list, embraced 1-pan magic, prepped ahead, shortcut the turkey, hacked dessert, delegated with love, and built your peace of mind kit. This holiday is about gratitude. Start with yourself for all you do and all you are. You deserve to enjoy this day. You deserve to sit, laugh, and feel the warmth of your people. If this helped, like and subscribe, and share your go-to last-minute tip in the comments.